Okay, here everyone maintain silence and listen properly. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is the structure of atom. So give the heading structure of atom. Get in, quickly get in. Yes, everyone, you have to come on time. As I told you, this is the only month as you people are coming new. So we are adjusting you. But once this month gets over, from the next month onwards, then be on your toes. We will be there to do the check who is coming on time and who is going out on time. Okay, so be aware of all these things. So we are going to start with a new chapter. Yesterday, as I promised you, that we had completed with the basics of chemistry, right? Basics of chemistry में मैंने जितने भी सारा chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 concepts were there, I have cleared in the online as well as offline. That means the students who have came late, जो बच्चे late आए हैं admission में, for those students also, yes, keep your mobile phone inside quickly. I am giving you the last warning. It should not get ring or it should not be there on your desk. I told you at the beginning only, mobile phones are absolutely not allowed. Yes. So I was talking regarding the basics of chemistry. So I have cleared everything and I have put the all videos on the YouTube. जर कोणाला माहिती नसेल तर तुम्ही त्या व्हिडिओ मध्ये जावा, काही कळलं नसेल तर रिवाइंड करा and you can watch it again. Okay? So your all basics will be cleared for your 11th standard as well as for your 12th standard. Okay, so today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is the structure of atom. I know that you people might have learned atom in your lower classes. बरोबर आहे ना, आपण 7वी 8वी 9वी ला ऑलरेडी atom हे शिकलेलो आहे. So what is the difference? Now you will ask me the question, sir, we had already learned this particular chapter in 8, 9, 10. Then what is the difference here? See, my dear students, the difference here is we are going to learn the different theories of atom. See, atom is not made by a single person or atom is not discovered by a single person. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ जॉन डाल्टन आया और उसने एटम का डिस्कवरी किया. It is not like Democritus has done the discovery. It is not like J.J. Thomson. There are many hands are involved for the discovery of atom, right? Which particular theories you people might have not learned in your lower classes, those theories we are going to learn in our 11th and 12th standard. Okay? Especially in the 11th standard. And one more thing, get in quickly. One more thing, this is a very basic chapter for your 12th standard. If you don't understand how are the atoms, how are the elements and how electrons are filled in the system. तुम्हाला बऱ्याच वेळेला तुम्हाला माहिती असेल, you people might have learned it in your lower classes, कि electrons are having a certain energy levels. बराबर है? पहले शेल में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन, दूसरे शेल में 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन, like this. So each and every electron has some or the other kind of an energy. Right? So how this energy is there, how they absorb the energy and how they go to a higher level energy, this is what we are going to learn in this chapter. So if you don't understand the energy level, electron, proton, neutron, you will not be able to understand the chemistry properly. Okay? Because this is, the heart and the soul of chemistry. जर तुम्हाला atom elements, protons, neutrons, if you don't know, you people will not be able to understand anything in chemistry. Okay, so structure of atom. So the very first question, what is atom? So what is atom? See, atom is nothing but the smallest particle of an element is called as the atom. Note it down. The smallest particle of an element is called as atom. The smallest particle of an element is called as atom. Okay, next point, write down. This particle is a microscopic in a nature. This particle is microscopic in nature. माइक्रोस्कोपिक का मीनिंग क्या होता है? माइक्रोस्कोपिक मीन्स अ वेरी वेरी स्मॉल पार्टिकल जो कि आपके आईज के थ्रू आप देख नहीं सकते. यू कैन नॉट सी इट थ्रू योर नेकेड आईज. दोज काइंड ऑफ पार्टिकल्स आर कॉल्ड एज द माइक्रोस्कोपिक पार्टिकल्स. वेट, स्टैंड आउट. Those particular particles are called as the microscopic particles, which you cannot see through your eyes. You can only see through a microscope. Okay, and that too special kind of a microscope. Those are called as the compound microscopes. Okay. Next point, write down. Atoms are indivisible. Indivisible. Atoms are indivisible. Okay, now what is the meaning of indivisibility? Indivisible मतलब हम लोग उसको further divide नहीं कर सकते. We cannot divide the atom further. For example, you can take any matter. Now let's say for an example, I am taking this chalk as a matter. बराबर? अगर इस chalk को मैंने बहुत छोटे फ्रैगमेंट्स में, छोटा मतलब इतना छोटा कि वो दिखना भी नहीं चाहिए, अगर मैंने इसको इतने फ्रैगमेंट्स में अगर मैंने उसको बांट दिया तो फर्दर दैट पर्टिकुलर फ्रैगमेंट विल बी कॉल्ड एज द एटम. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? इफ यू टेक अ पीस ऑफ अ चॉक, लेट्स से दैट दिस इज अ चॉक एंड दिस इज अ मैटर. So when you make a fragments of this matter into a very very small pieces, ये तो बहुत बड़ा है मैंने जो बोर्ड पे दिया है, but very very small particles, this very very small particles of the matter is nothing but called as the atom. और इसका फर्दर हम लोग डिवीजन नहीं कर सकते, यानी कि इसको ब्रेक नहीं कर सकते. That is what is called as the atom. That is why we say that atoms are indivisible. उसको आगे हम लोग fragmentation नहीं कर सकते. Did you understand this? Okay. Now next point, write down. Atoms cannot be broken down into fragments. Atoms cannot be broken down into fragments. Okay. Now let's look at the history of an atom. Give the heading history of an atom. अभी इसका इतिहास भी देखना चाहिए हमको. What is the exact history? History of an atom. Yes. Next point, write down. Discovery of an atom. Get it? Next time onwards, don't be late. Discovery of an atom was done by 6 people. Discovery of an atom was done by 6 people. Write down their names. Number 1, Democritus. Democritus. Number 2, John Dalton. Number 3, J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson. Number 4, Ernest Rutherford. Number 5, Neil Bohr. राइट तुमको याद होगा बोर्स मॉडल, बोर्स एटॉमिक मॉडल, रुदर्स एटॉमिक मॉडल, राइट, रुदरफोर्ड्स एटॉमिक मॉडल. So we are going to learn this. And the last one was Schrodinger. Last one was Schrodinger. So just try to imagine it is not a single hand. How many people have worked on the atom? कितने जनों ने काम किया है? टोटल 6 जनों ने काम किया है एटम के ऊपर, और हर किसी ने, everyone has given their own theory, right? Democritus has given his own theory, John Dalton has given his own theory, J.J. Thomson has given his theory, then Ernest Rutherford has given the Rutherford's atomic model, Neil Bohr has given its atomic model, and Schrodinger has given an equation, right? And that equation is nothing but called as the Schrodinger equation. तो ये सारे के सारे जितने भी theories है, we are going to see one by one, okay? But इसके पहले we people need to understand what particular each and every scientist has done, what is their contribution, बराबर है? तो सबसे पहले कौन था? सबसे पहले जो था that was the Democritus in 400 BC, before Christ. Just imagine it was the Democritus in the 400 BC who for the first time discovered that there is a something called as the atom. यानी कि दुनिया में एक ऐसी चीज है जो कि हमारे आंखों से दिखती नहीं है, but actually it is existing in a nature, and he said that particular thing is nothing but called as the atoms, right? It is called as the atoms, right? And further he said that this particular atoms are non-destructible. क्या बोला उसने? It is non-destructible. Non-destructible का मीनिंग क्या होता है? Non-destructible means it cannot be destroyed, right? देखो even atom bomb भी अगर ले लोगे तो what happens in that case, right? Atoms never break, or atoms will never get destructed in that case also. Only thing what will take place is there will be a transformation of energy from one form to the other form. Are you understanding, my dear students? Okay, so write down Democritus, give the heading. Point number 1. Democritus introduced the theory of universe. Introduced the theory of universe. कौन सा थियरी दिया इसने? Theory of universe. Okay. Next point. He said that all matter consists of atoms. All matter consists of atoms which cannot be seen through eyes. Which cannot be seen through eyes. Next point, he said that atoms are solid in nature. Atoms are solid in nature, right? उसने और एक क्या थियरी दिया इसमें? उसने बोला कि atoms are a solid in nature, right? Some of the scientists said no, atom is not solid in the nature, but atom is a gaseous in a nature. But what was the view of a Democritus? Democritus said that no, atom is a solid in a nature. Okay, next point, write down. Further he said that atoms have no internal structure. Atoms have no internal structure. ओके, तो उसने क्या बोला कि एटम डज नॉट हैव अ इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर, यानी कि उसमें कुछ भी नहीं है, राइट? इट डजंट हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग इन इट इज ओनली अ स्फेरिकल इन अ शेप. दिस इज व्हाट ही सेड एट द फर्स्ट, बट दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट वाज प्रूव्ड रॉन्ग फर्दर by the J.J. Thomson, right? When he conducted the experiment, he found out that no, in an atom there are different things are existing. एटम के अंदर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स भी है, एटम के अंदर प्रोटॉन्स भी है, एटम के अंदर न्यूट्रॉन्स भी है, एंड दे हैव अ सर्टेन रोल टू प्ले. ओके, सो दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट वाज प्रूव्ड रॉन्ग, दैट एटम्स हैव नो इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट लिख लो. ईच एटम of a different substance is different in a size, weight, difference in a size, weight and shape. Different in a size, weight and shape. Right? So what happens? What he said कि हर तरह के एटम्स अलग अलग है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एक एलिमेंट का एटम का शेप और साइज अलग है और दूसरे एलिमेंट का शेप और साइज अलग है. दैट मीन्स द एटम may differ in the size when the elements gets changed. ऐसा नहीं है कि क्लोरीन एटम का जो साइज है वही सोडियम के एटम का भी वही साइज होगा. नो. Are you understanding? That means they have a different shape and a different sizes. Okay. So this is what the first one, that was the Democritus has told. Then comes the next one, that is John Dalton. Write down. John Dalton. Give the heading. Write down. Point number 1. John Dalton introduced the theory of modern atomic model. उसने कौन सा थियरी दिया? मॉडर्न एटॉमिक मॉडल. जैसे कि हमने देखा था फर्स्ट केस में डेमोक्रिटस ने क्या दिया था थियरी? व्हाट थियरी वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय डेमोक्रिटस? थियरी ऑफ यूनिवर्स. Similarly, John Dalton had given the theory, and his theory name was modern atomic model. Okay, so he gave the theory modern atomic model. Or what was the year? That is also important. In the year 1900, देखो difference कितना है? 400 BC, and then came the John Dalton in the 1900. Okay, so next point, write down. John Dalton said that all matter consists of tiny particles called as atoms. देखो इसने भी तो वही बोला ना जो डेमोक्रिटस ने बोला था. डेमोक्रिटस ने क्या बोला? डेमोक्रिटस सेड that all matter consists of an atom. When you break the particular matter into a fragment, right? When you break the particular matter into a small pieces, what remains at the last? atom remains at the last. Similarly, John Dalton also said the same thing but in a different way. He said that tiny particles, उसने क्या बोला? Tiny particles are called as the atoms. Right? Did you understand this? Yes. Then write down the next point. He said that atoms are indestructible and unchangeable. Indestructible and unchangeable. Right? So what is the meaning of indestructible and unchangeable? That means atoms cannot be destroyed and it cannot change its position. यानी कि ये अपने positions change नहीं करते. Right? It doesn't happen that there is a sodium atom. Let's say now this is a sodium atom. ये सारे के सारे atom sodium के हैं. Okay? It doesn't happen that one sodium atom will come from here and it will change its place, or the other sodium atom will come here and it will change its place. That means the atoms are indestructible and they are unchangeable. They have a certain position and they belong to their place only. Did you understand this? Okay, next point. When element reacts, their atoms combine to form compounds. When element reacts, their atom combines to form compounds. Okay? तो इससे क्या क्लियर होता है? What do you understand out of this statement? See, from this statement we can understand that whenever the chemical reaction takes place, it is not the element which is undergoing the reaction, but it is the atoms which are changing the places. Right? Atoms which are undergoing the reaction. That is what is called as the particular atoms will combine to form a compound. समझ में आ गया? तो एक एलिमेंट का एटम दूसरे एलिमेंट के एटम के साथ कंबाइन होके they will form a new compound. Did you understand this? Okay. Next one, write down, give the heading J.J. Thomson. Now we will see the J.J. Thomson. ये हो गया हमारा सेकेंड वन, जॉन डैल्टन. ठीक है? थर्ड वन आएगा J.J. Thomson. Yes, write down